Did you see silver's latest move? In 2025, it quietly skyrocketed over 130%, blowing past $70 an ounce. But while most investors were just watching that number, something massive was happening behind the scenes. A perfect storm is brewing, a story of critical supply shortages and relentless industrial demand that might just be the biggest investment opportunity of 2026. For years, silver was the underdog, wasn't it? It was always living in gold's shadow, written off as too volatile. As mainstream investors chased stocks, they completely missed the writing on the wall. A massive structural supply deficit was building up year after year, coiling the spring tighter and tighter. Now, as its deep undervaluation becomes impossible to ignore, that spring is starting to uncoil. This is where the game completely changes. Today, more than half of all silver is consumed by industry. Think about this. Demand from solar panels alone is eating up a massive chunk of the world's supply. And it doesn't stop there. The electric vehicle revolution is kicking into high gear, and every single EV needs significantly more silver than a gas-powered car. While some industries are trying to find cheaper alternatives, replacing silver in these high-tech applications is incredibly difficult and expensive. It's simply irreplaceable in many of its most critical uses. Meanwhile, the supply side is flashing red alerts. The silver market is now staring down its 6th consecutive year of a supply deficit. Mines are struggling to keep up, and recycling can't fill the gap. This is putting an intense squeeze on the physical market. Seeing this unfold, savvy investors are finally catching on, and the demand for physical silver is heating up as they race to get a position before the rest of the market wakes up. They're not just buying paper contracts, they're taking delivery of the real metal, and that's a huge signal. Look, this isn't just speculation, it's a fundamental story of supply versus demand playing out in real time. The green energy revolution and our entire tech-driven world are literally built with silver, and the market is only now beginning to price in that reality. The numbers don't lie. When you have unstoppable demand crashing into a shrinking supply, something has to give, and that something is usually the price. Don't be the one who looks back and says, I should have seen it. The signs are all there. What are your thoughts on where silver is headed? Do you think we'll see triple-digit silver sooner than we think? Drop your price targets in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.